Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Two Phones for Free YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching and subscribing to the YouTube channel and watching the videos. So this is a paid promotion video. Okay, so what does that mean? That means that a company is paying me to talk about their services, applications, and whatever else, maybe promotions, offers they have to give to my viewers and to me as well. So no further ado, this is about this application, this free Wi-Fi calling and texting app called Dingtone. Now, how do you get this application? It's easy and simple. No need to download an APK or sideload. It's 100% free on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. But I'm on an Android phone right now, so we're gonna go to the Google Play Store. I'm gonna show you guys how to get this application. You go to the Google Play Store. You want to go to the search bar. Then you want to type in Dingtone. It should be the first one up there. So okay, here we are, and as you can see, they have the little promotional video on their YouTube channel as well. You can check that out as we go along. So this is a free call and texting app. You get a free phone number. Also, you get a second number with unlimited calling and texting. You also get free international calls. No cell phone plans needed. Keep that in mind. And then you also get group chats. You can send photos, videos, and more. All right. So that's just a quick rundown of this simple application. All you guys got to do is just tap on it and go to the About Me section of the app. You can read about it. I definitely recommend people to read about these apps before they just go download it, because somebody say download it. But make sure this application is right for you. As you can see, the features that millions of people love is to make free calls and send text messages to get real phone number for your phone or tablet, or phone and tablet. Cheap or free international calls to 200 plus countries and regions. You also get local phone numbers for you to use in the US, Canada, UK, Netherlands, Australia, France, Sweden, and so on and so on. Free calls or text to friends and families. And like I said, you get group phone calls and conference calls. All right. And then another cool feature it has is the crystal clear calls, voice calls as transmitted on Dingtone's high quality dedicated VoIP network. That's voice over internet protocol with HD voice technologies. Most free online calls between Dingtone users have superior clarity to existing regular phone service. Okay, keep that in mind. All right, they also have a walkie-talkie feature. You can push to talk and voicemail. Okay, they do have paid subscriptions, so if you like their service and you want to support them, sign up to the paid subscription. Also, they will allow you to use your Google Play credits to pay for your subscription. So you have Google Play credits or Apple iTunes. You can use your iTunes money and your Google Play credits cash to pay for this subscription. You don't necessarily have to have real cash to pay for it. Okay. And so the question is, why is this free? Okay, free phone calls, home and abroad, unlimited text and text messages to and from anyone. Great call quality HD voice over cellular data and Wi-Fi. Walkie-talkie mode for instant push to talk. Group conference calls up to 8 people and group messaging up to 100 plus people. And you can go to the Dingtone.me official website to learn more information about this application. Right now, we're finna get into the app itself. Let's open it up. Finna get to the home page. Okay, this is my contact area. Now you have two separate contact sections. You got your Dingtone, so people that's on Dingtone already, and then your phone book. So basically just regular phone numbers. And or if you want to invite people to join Dingtone, you can do that. Okay? Excuse me. Now you go to messages, and this is where you get all your text messages and stuff like that. So like even like your verification codes, all this will pop up right here. They also give you Dingtone team will send you notifications about special offers, earning credits, things in that sort. All right. And as you can see at the bottom, you play a game, download the game, you play it. You get that amount of credits. So you get unlimited credits. You really get unlimited credits. They don't cap you on credits for your account. So it's just 100 new credits. So you can do all that. And you can check out all their special offers. Okay. Then they also give you 7 tips for calling with Dingtone. Okay, 7 tips for calling with Dingtone you must know. All right. So I just want to welcome you all to Dingtone, a free way to talk and text. In Dingtone, you can make free internet calls to anyone in the U.S. and Canada without using any cell minutes. All right. This is for, this is another way for people that's on like call minutes and texting limitations to texting. You can also use and enjoy a custom calling experience by using voicemail, spam call block, call forwarding, and lots of amazing features. Invite your family members and friends to use Dingtone and start saving more than 80% of your phone bill now. All right, so they got tips about how to make international and local calls, how to get Dingtone phone number, how to set up voicemail, how to set up call forwarding, how to set up call ID, how to how to block unknown phone calls and texts, and then you also got the ringtones. So another thing I wanted to point out is the international calling. All right, so if you want to make an international call on distance call, enter the call dial pad, select the country code on the upper left corner, then dial the number, area code. No need to add 0 before area code, plus phone number. If you are making a local call, just dial the number directly. So that's just this major tip right there. All right. Now, how to get a Dingtone number? Follow these steps. Tap on connect, get a Dingtone phone number, enter a area code like New York 917, select phone number, and then get a real Dingtone number. At present, Dingtone provides phone numbers in 17 countries, including I'm not gonna go through all the countries, but you know, then get a second local phone number and separate your work from life. So I think that's a cool tip to learn. All right, and everything else is basically self-explanatory. Okay, more tips. How to receive SMS on Dingtone. Let's go check that out. Okay. That is weird. Oh, okay, here it is. My bad. All right, so is it possible to send and receive SMS in iPad, iPod Touch tablets? Can't receive SMS Dingtones. How to receive international SMS? Phone number does not display correct. Don't want to receive SMS from someone. Block them. How much does it cost to send and receive SMS? Is there a price plan? Now here we go. Let's go ahead and look into this one. Your specific cost for sending and receiving SMS can be found by tapping on more call rates, then choose the desired country code to display the rate. Non-Dingtone users sending and receiving SMS from a Dingtone user will be charged the rate of their local carrier. Dingtone users will also need to pay a small amount of Dingtone credits to receive SMS. Note, the amount of Dingtone credits needed to receive SMS is usually less than the amount needed for sending SMS. If you're regularly send and receive SMS, especially international SMS, it is worth it to get an annual SMS plan for 6,000 SMS for 600 Dingtone credits, including international SMS. Open Dingtone app, enter the SMS screen, choose a contact, open the menu on the upper right corner, and then you will be able to purchase unlimited text plan. So there we have it. Okay. All right, let's see. That's letting you know the cost of it. All right. Now let's go back up. Okay, let's go to call. So this is the dollar app. Okay, you got your +1. That's for the US. And then like they said, for international, you look up the code, and then you put that in there plus the number, or you can search for it. All right, and then also we'll talk about that in a minute about the kitty. And then, like I said, you get free calls from your Dingtone users, and then you get cheap calls from regular local your local phone numbers. Now this part right here where it says internet call, you have an option. You can do local dial in, which will give you a code to use your native dollar. But just remember, if you're not on unlimited talking text already with your cell phone provider and your carrier, it will go against your minutes for those that's still on minute plan phones. I guess somebody like Track Phone, and maybe Freedom Pop, maybe. I think I'm like the only ones with limited calls and text, unless you got the free up mobile free service, which I seriously doubt anybody else still got that. But okay, so you do the local, it's gonna send you to the dollar, your native dollar for the local dial-in. You do internet call, you use the Dingtone dollar, and then you could just go to recents and stuff like that and go through there like that way. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the connect. Now this is where you earn points and credits and stuff like that. Also, this is where you get your Dingtone phone number. In the connect section, you can add a phone number, add a new phone number. Most of the numbers support voice call and SMS. So you want to go ahead and do that. You want to do the United States, you pick a United States. Just say nearby area code and 618. Okay, if I want to, I could pay 750 credits a year for 12 months, build yearly, and someone's calling. I'll let you know it works. Okay, so there you have it. All right, or you can just pick a random number, and they give you a random number, and then you get the access to this number. All right, here we go. So let's go back out. I'm just showing you. These are all the different countries you can get an actual free number from. Okay, somebody left me a voicemail. Don't know who that is, but it is what it is. And right here where it says get free credits. Okay, so you want to get free credits. You watch a video, you complete an offer, you do a daily check-in, you say I'm feeling lucky. Okay, I just earned 0.5 free credits. Okay, let me go back. I probably earn another one. Of course, they support ads. That's how they make money. It is what it is. So do that, and then you got that Tap Joy. It's how you earn more. Download your favorite apps, install the app, start using them, and you get credits for them. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I mean, you can do this every day, all day, in the app if you choose to. Like you see at the top, I got 41.45 credits. It says your account balance 10% unlock silver. Okay, all right, so I need 50% more to get the V1, and then you can use your points, your members points, to get an iPhone, iPad. Man, hey, if I could get that many points, man. Oh, it says one remaining. That sucks. I love to get the iPhone 10X Max. I don't even care how old it is. So I can get it. But yeah. So more offers and surveys. So they're showing you guys that, and yeah. So I've been using this application on and off. I've been had it on and off for years now. I even mentioned it several times. Also, you can get points for liking them on Facebook, sharing it on Twitter, things in that sort. So yeah, there you have it. All right, let me go home. And also, just a reminder that these apps are, you can verify the apps. You can verify TikTok, Netflix, Snapchat, WeChat, Telegram. You can link your Dingtone with Google Voice, and you can link it up to text now with call forwarding. But I wouldn't do that unless I'm on a different device and I'm using text now and I didn't want to download the Dingtone. Your text now app will ring with your Dingtone number. But that's for call forwarding type stuff. But so let's get back into the Google Play. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about Dingtone, free calls, apps, and texts. Let me know how the video was, and yeah, if you like the application and you like how I broke down the top features and functionalities of the service. Now, in order for this to work, you would need either Wi-Fi or cellular data. So for text now users, that's on a free talking text plan with the SIM card, this would need data, but you will still receive missed calls and it'll still ring. Like your Dingtone phone number will still ring, but you won't be able to answer it. Due to Text Now's free service. But any other phone plan like AT&T prepaid, T-Mobile prepaid, or just any service like Mint Mobile, Visible, it will work because most of those phone services have data. Okay, so let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, if you're new, please subscribe, and I'll check you out in the next one. Peace.